How to resize photos for Shopify website. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Shopify on your device and sign into your account. Now in here, go ahead and head over to the content section by clicking on content on your left sidebar. Under the contents area, you'll be able to find meta objects and files. Over to files and click on the image that you want to resize. So in here, you'll be able to find here the resize option. Click on resize. Now you'll need to enter your desired width and height for this image to be able to resize the image on Shopify. Once you click on apply, after you enter your desired width and height, you'll be able to resize your image on Shopify. Take note that you should upload your images and videos under the file section on the content section before you can use it for your Shopify website. So once you're done with this, you can just go ahead and save this as a new image or save it as the image that you've edited.